is Rahat, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the Milton stainless steel electric kettle. This kettle has been super handy and I'd love to tell you more about it. The Milton Go Electro 2.0 stainless steel electric kettle is a handy appliance that makes your work easy and less time taking. It is a 1500 watt 2 liter kettle with a range of features. An ergonomically designed body along with a convenient spout makes water easy to pour. You can easily and quickly use it to prepare your coffee, hot tea or milk anytime and anywhere. The sturdy handle lets you touch it immediately after it stops functioning without having to worry about burning your hands. The best part is that the kettle has a detachable 360-degree connector. If you are looking for a kettle loaded with features and a capacity of 2 liters, then the Milton Go Electro 2.0 kettle is a great choice.